Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSESI. So today I'm going to be swatching the glitters that I was gifted from Craftyfox251. Now I believe there are 10, I want to say 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes 10, and also these hearts. Now I want to see if they can be used with acrylic. I want to see if they bleed really, or you can just use them with gel, but we shall see. Right, I need another bit of tissue. Shall I just do it on that one? I'll do it on this. I'm just going to swatch on this tissue because I've run out of swatch sticks. I need to order some. Bring it down a bit. Okay. So I'm going to start off with the glitter mixes that April had made. So this one is called Mermaid. Here is that one. I'll do a close-up towards the end, I think. Or let me just do it now because I'll probably forget what they are. So this one's Mermaids. We've got a fine glitter, and then we've got there's Mylar, it's purple Mylar, and then some holographic hexagons. 2 sizes, so there's some large and then smaller ones. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, next we're going to do a baby blue. Okay, this has some iridescent hexagons. There's some Mylar. And then also some hearts, like them cut out hearts, which are blue. Pretty. Okay, now we have fairy dust. Excuse me. Okay, we've got some chunky. That's really chunky. Chunky Mylar, this purple, and then you got them cut out stars, and then the star that's, you see, the hollow star, and then the star with cut out, and then some chunky Mylar. I would have to cut these down because, I mean, these ones are a perfect size, but like this one, it's a little chunky. Yeah, so I'd cut them down, but still, that's very pretty. I love them stars. Okay, then we have this one that has no name. And April said that these ones that were in the mystery bag, some are going to go onto her Etsy store. There is no names yet, but keep a lookout because she's always adding new things. This is beautiful. Okay, so we have it looks like blue, like that cerise pink and red, holographic small hexagons, and then there is some fine glitter. I love that, very pretty. Then we have this one. Pretty. So they are large. There's large hexagons and then a fine or like super tiny hexagons. Right, then we have this pink one. So there's fine pink glitter and then some iridescent hexagons. This is pretty. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. So yeah, the pink iridescent shifts to a green. Pretty. Then we have this one, a bit of a mix. Them two look quite similar. It goes from a pink to a greeny blue, whereas this one is just pink to blue. Okay, then we have this one. Yeah, okay, so we have pink iridescent hexagons, and then I remember saying before them ones are clear. But like that, to me, it looks like a transparent grey. But the pink goes into a green, and then that transparent one is just transparent. See, I hope you can see that. But it's pretty. Then we have this green one. Okay, so this one is green, and then it's got them, it's like a clear transparent, whereas this transparent clear is like it goes to a grey. And then it's got some small hexagons which are a pink that shift into a green. That is really unusual. I mean, difference between that in the bag and that. Pretty mad. It's pretty. It's really, really pretty. And then lastly we have this one. I'm excited for this one. You can get there. Yeah, this is gorgeous. It's a blue and a pink metallic hexagons, and then you've got some small pink and blue hexagons. I hope you can see that, but that's really, really pretty. I love that one. I love that one. Right, now I want to do these hearts. I want to see if they bleed. I remember someone did me a mix before, and the blue one bled. So I'm hoping that's not the case with these ones. Oh, I picked up quite a lot. No, I even put some more acrylic over the top. They don't bleed, which is bloody great. But yeah, they are, I think she called them metallic hearts. So there's all different colours there, and then in between them there is some what's it called? Iridescent pink hearts that shift into a green. You see, like these two here. Pretty. Very, very pretty. I love them a lot. Right, I am going to go now. I will leave all links to April's socials, like her Etsy store. She's on Instagram, she's on Facebook, and yes, she has a channel on YouTube. She hasn't uploaded anything yet, but go over and subscribe, and I'm sure she'll upload something soon. Yeah, so I think they're pretty. Very, very pretty. Still, this one's my favourite. And then I like this one. I like them all. These iridescent ones are very pretty. The green one, I'd expect it to be green. Do you know what I mean? If you compare the two. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Right, I'm going now. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.